keep growing. Let's keep growing, okay? So also, don't forget that in this house we do what? We try and fail. Obviously, when you cook something, you will try and you will fail. But the biggest mistake you should never ever do to yourself is to fail to try. It's fine to try and fail, but listen, at least you showed up. So without any waste of time, please know that today we are cooking pap, borobe, spinach, green carrot, and green beans, and wors. Okay, so I'm showcasing my ingredients there. Already you can see that my spinach is very clean, like a church girl. Okay, I'm just saying. Ke mang a re di church girl di clean? O cleaning wa nyane wa tsara keng spinach sa ka se clean ke se tlhatswitse gore ke se tlhatswitse o ka ba reng re prepare for festive season, everything. So everything is in order. You can see there's butter. There's sorry guys, I know I have sinus. Don't say ew at me. There's butter, onion, red pepper, yellow pepper. How ka jama tlhawa lebella ke nna lebella the boys a lebelle diloch. Okay, you'll see my small tomatoes. Okay, small tomatoes there, orange and red. My peas and different types of spices. Unfortunately, this time around I showcased the brands. Now, disclaimer, I'm not advertising for any of the brands, and again, this video was taken in 2021, so child, we didn't know better back then, so I'm only editing it today. Yes, so kinamala, I made sure that I change her pot because the spinach, the pot was way too small for the amount of spinach. Even though you know that spinach, you can never rely on spinach. Spinach like ke sejabana ke mojita o la man o ka se motshepe ko re tla re gane ke se sentši e se no hunyela. Hi, bury me now. I'm kidding. So I beg, you can never trust it. Anyway, guys, a lot of important content is not shown here. Like I said, I was still learning back in 2021. Like, another thing, guys, my famies, that should tell you about this video is that you don't wake up instantly becoming something. You understand? Please, I hope as much as you are learning how to cook, you're also learning that there's always practice into different types of things. The guys that you see, big businessmen, they started somewhere. So this content was taken way back in 2021. So yeah, I was still doing some mistakes there and there. Oh, let me stop preaching and becoming a self-made motivational speaker that doesn't even get paid. Okay, all right. If you can tell, I mean, if you saw, I boiled water, the voros is ready, vorosing there. Unfortunately, I'm not showcasing the stove, but right now, child of God, child of my mama, child of everything, my family, I'm chopping that onion. Ooh, my hands are about to smell like because Femi, please understand, onion is not here to play. Is something that we always use it when we cook, but it will deal with you. So I'm chopping. I'm sorry that it's not visible enough. Kinamala chelakara one of my pots because why? In my spinach. Okay, I'm putting it in the spinach. Those are my beautiful tomatoes that I was telling you about. Put them in your spinach as well. All right, yes. Kinamala wa ke chela le di butter tsaka ke chela mafura ke chela di spice mola ke chela le tswai mo be tshweke tsebe bothata bola ba aromat be tshweke tsebe the spirit of aromat. So be ke chela le tswai and la tsara matija we are not about to do sold you a grata matswai lwena ke a tsara rata matswai lwena ka mo ka rata matswai ya re shimisha aromat. So ke namala off camera, I'm chopping red onion. Choppa labeled. Mara hele sa ibone. So while I'm still chopping, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and comment and share the video. And please comment down below what type of a menu or a meal would you like to see on this channel. If it's expensive, I always say we'll have to put it on budget. If it's something simple and you really want to learn, you can just drop your comment down below and say, you know what, let us try this and this and this, and we'll see it. Trust me, if there's something that I cannot cook, I will tell you that, listen, this one I am better so I'm not gonna attempt it, or I'll rather go and learn as well, because I'm learning. Remember, I'm not a chef, I'm not a chef ariser, I'm not a chefeni. I'm just a food content YouTube channel, YouTuber. So I'm just a cooking person, okay? So don't come here and say, yeah, you don't do measurements. Ciao. I'm not about to do some measurement for you. This is a very relatable content, and we cook what we have, and we cook exactly things that you have, and the things that you do in your house. For example, you don't regularly wash your hands, okay? You're not about to come here and preach for me that wash your hands while you know exactly that you just cook with your hands dirty. I'm just saying, let's get back to cooking. So camera. Spinach, everything is in order, and here I don't know what was I doing, but I disappeared. As you can tell, probably was watching TV, I don't know. So the first pot, renale spinach kamagare, that mujita wala was tapali. CJB, that guy will or spinach is dangerous good. Ustala poto sir, pa, ogara CJB. Es feta tala potos. Vidishitse o se tsentshitse ka metseng ho bula bon mara ke tshentshitse pot nto ke CJB. So ka kwala ke voroso bona ke busy le yona ere ke taka mo voroso la ke tsara ere ya kana batho ba lebeletse man. Hey, behave ke mola ke cha ke le yona ke kuka monna ke feta ngwalinyana ke tsere. Hey, ke busy ka manala ka di khala don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and share the video. Now, I was chopping carrots off camera. Obviously, I chopped it in slices. We are going to boil it. Okay, metsa le ke manchinyana. Mara ka re ke le botse gore nna se nna chef a le ton jajane. Wan jajang ke ta moramo. Because yeah. So metsa le ke manchi, but then it's fine. Carrot can be a little bit aggressive. So no sweat. I want it to be softer and nicer. So I'm putting all this mixture of red pepper, green pepper, and yellow pepper inside my spinach. Remember what I said about colors, guys. If you are cooking something green, there is no need for green pepper, because that particular thing is already green. Lena le understand that the boys and the girls, but then ignore. Don't do that. So kimala kerataka is ready. Are you ready? We are ready for Jerusalem. On your marks. Get set. Bona diatlaka na dia kopa na di buju legend, right? So ke tlo tshela butter, ke tshetse butter somewhere bana se ke fete di beans yo nna mawe ke a senya. Ke tshetse butter somewhere dilo di tlhakana ke re butter wa tsare ke it's something that makes things to bond. Butter is that it's your parents when they are intervening. The guy is saying, or the girl is saying, I'm leaving this thing, and you call your friends, that mediator ke butter. Ke butter molawa ke tshetse butter go rawa. Carrot la skatla ya re ke a separate le di beans nyana je la pe ka separate re ba bothate wa ikwishisa so anya go spinach se la se ya behavior wa tsare keng se ya behavior CJB yela if itle mo point le re wa tsare keng. Let me just settle down. So spinach settle down dilo di sharp. We are about to celebrate. At the end of the day, we want a healthy and successful a relationship go batho ba be happy. Anyway, ke nna mola ke shatola bogobe ke a bo shatola ke a bo mixa ntsha to make sure. I mean, unity is key. If you are cooking and things are not united, my sister, my brother, I beg, please start again. You are not going to feed people that nonsense. I'm just saying. So unity is key. Make sure that your puppets united with everything, because we are about to celebrate. There is no way you can celebrate out of unity. When you see celebration, just know that people will be united, or people are united, then celebration after, because you celebrate alone. So make sure that make sure that and peacefully. So now ona le ntwe le a itse ba shetse ke le rutile ka yona mara before ke dira so ke gopela le phumleng plate tjana le ba mputse plate tjana na di sepela le ke mafene ke le na le mafene. You guys are not cleaning your cupboards. There are cockroaches making having nice party. A ball in your house, a ball in your cupboard, okay? A cockroach party. So before you dish up, please clean up your plate because your cockroaches were bowling, okay? So get no more like yeah, tool. Yeah, I beg, give me my flowers. Did you see that skillo? Femi, did you see that skill? It's not everyone who can do it. Oh, I beg you. So again, namola hai ke bo tshotse ngwanyana tsa ke bo tshira ka hora. Ba se bo bola ba thakathakana. O ka re hairstyle sa le re ilwa ka December. Now ke February bona thatamola. Wo wa bona re bontse ka order. Re rata order, Femi. Please maintain order. And also my good people, when you dish up, I always say it's okay if you can cook, but it is very wrong if you can't present your food. Don't dish up like you're dishing up a poison. No, you know that in this house I don't like things that look like a poison. No, you understand? So make sure that you dish up in a way that even if the food are not nice, even if your food is whatever that you cooked is not nice, at least let us be satisfied by the presentation. So that is why it is very much necessary to entice us. Let us look at your food and say, I really want to dig in. Not, oh God, Lord have mercy upon us. So Kimela, like in the green beans, can you see even the way I dish them up, because the colors also need to do what to correspond. You can't put everything green, same line, green, then blue, red. Hey, even when you don't wear like that though. You make sure that your colors correspond. Same applies with food. All right. So like things are about to go down. It's about to go down. So you see, I'm turning up the places so that you can see things properly. Remember my beautiful small tomatoes? Yeah, they're inside the first piece, because the second piece inside, the third piece I was like, hey, kachela soap, what wrong with him? No make lot of meat, not in this economy. So kachela sopo, more like kachela sopo. I am done cooking. That's pap, our green and our carrot, a veggie, kind of a salad, spinach. There, everything's beautiful. I make sure that I clean up my plate. Can you see? Sopo yaka I round the my stew or my soup is not all over the plate. I dikelele bogobe sopo ka instant black. Yeah, tseba ena le me gore ke dula mo as a soap. O se sopo ga theta ka ba reng I don't want to go there. Sopo ga thota ya o theta o to from Cape to Cairo sopo ka plate wena. O lebella content good. So ke mala di butse di fedile man dilo di sepetse ga botse le na le bone. Thank you very much, my family. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you and bless your children and bless everything that you possess. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Also to comment on the type of meal that any type of meal you would like to see on this channel. Other than that, let me say bye, and I will see you